The EACE 4K Car DVR Mirror represents a significant advancement in car safety technology. With its Ultra HD resolution, comprehensive coverage, intuitive touchscreen interface, and advanced sensor technology, it offers unmatched performance and reliability on the road. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or cruising down the highway, this innovative dashcam system serves as a trustworthy companion, ensuring your safety and security every step of the way. Equipped with a superior sensor, the EACE dashcam excels in capturing sharp videos with enhanced details, even in extreme low-light conditions. This makes it a reliable guardian for your car, providing round-the-clock surveillance and peace of mind. Additionally, the built-in GPS functionality allows the dashcam to record essential data such as speed, direction, and path, further enhancing its utility and value. The EACE 4K Car DVR Mirror boasts an impressive Ultra HD video resolution of 3840 by 1600p 4K, setting a new standard for clarity and detail in dashcam recordings. This high resolution ensures that even the minutest details on the road are captured with precision, including license plates from a distance. Whether it's day or night, the clarity of the footage remains uncompromised, thanks to its advanced night vision capabilities. Equipped with dual cameras, the EACE dashcam provides extensive coverage of the road ahead. The 170 adjustable front lens and 160 rear lens combine to offer a total 330 field of view, effectively reducing blind spots and capturing more scenes on the road. This comprehensive coverage not only enhances safety but also provides valuable evidence in the event of accidents or incidents. The EACE 4K Car DVR Mirror is its 10-inch full touchscreen, which utilizes a 2.5D glass curved screen for optimal user experience. Designed to be more compatible with most rearview mirrors, this touchscreen is not only less bulky but also securely mounted, ensuring stable recording without the risk of video shake. The large screen replay feature allows users to vividly relive the recorded footage, providing a true-to-life representation of the events on the road.